Hello students, welcome to the channel Edifying Kids. Today we are going to learn English class 7th unit 2 2.1 from a railway carriage. Students, in the previous video we have already learned this poem. If you want explanation of this poem, you will get it at the end of this video. Okay? So today we are going to discuss question and answers English workshop. In that first we'll see read the poem aloud with a proper rhythm. Now for this first question, watch our poem recitation video. Okay. Now second question we'll see find pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Now students, from the poem we are going to find the rhyming words. Now here see children, first stanza we'll see. In the first stanza we are going to find the rhyming words. Now in the first stanza, witches and ditches. Now here see, witches, also ditches. These two words are rhyming words. Now next one is the battle and cattle. Okay. Now see the second stanza. In the second stanza, now you also find out children. In the second stanza you can see which rhyming words you can see. Plain, plain and rain. Correct? Also in that plain, rain and again also three words are rhyming words. Then next one is the I buy. Correct? These words are the rhyming words. Now in the third stanzas, which words are there? Scrambles and brambles. Scrambles and brambles. These words are there. Also gazes and daisies. These are the rhyming words. Now last stanza. In the last stanza also there are rhyming words you can see. Which are the rhyming words over here? Road and load. These are the rhyming words. Now one more, river and ever. Okay, these are the rhyming words. Now next question, write the following. In that question number 1, write the sights seen through a railway carriage mentioned in the first stanza. Now what is mentioned in the first stanza? Just see which sight scenes are mentioned in the first stanza. Just see. Bridges are mentioned, then bridges are mentioned, houses are mentioned, then hedges and ditches, then meadows, also horses, cattle. These things are mentioned in the first stanza. Okay. Now next question, what is the next question? The sights mentioned in the second stanza. Which sights are mentioned in the second stanza? Now see the second stanza. Here the sights mentioned in the second stanza are hills. Hill is given. Then the plain, painted stations. Painted stations. Okay. Now next question is the sights mentioned in the third stanza. Which sights are mentioned in the third stanza? That we are going to see now. Child gathering brambles. Child gathering brambles. Now gathering brambles. Okay. Then a tramp also, a jobless person, tramp, and a green grass. Here, green. Okay, green grass is also you can see. Now next question we'll see children. Think and answer. Why are the sights said to fly? Answer is, the sights are said to fly to give us an idea of the great speed of the rain. Next question. Does the last line make you happy or sad? Why? The last line makes me sad. Definitely makes me sad because I would like to see the sights again and again. Now question number next, fifth. List the lines that begin with here or and here. Also list the sentences or phrases that begin with and there. These phrases and sentences tells us that about things that appear one after the other as the carriage move. Can we tell which ones are closer to the train and which one are at the distance, and how? Yes, we can tell it definitely. First we'll list the lines that begin with the here or and here. Okay, which lines are there? Now here in the poem you can see here and here in the third stanza, I think in the third stanza you can see which are here is a child. Okay, also here is a tram. Correct, here is a child, here is a tram, here is a cart. In the here you can see here is a cart, and here is a mill. Now these items listed in these above lines are closer to the train and they are indicated with the word here. Okay, now next question is and there. Which are there and there? Here you can see and there is a green, and there is a green, and in the last stanza and there is a river. Okay, and these items listed in these lines are at a distance and they are indicated with the word there. Okay, now next read the following. Charging along like troops in a battle, fly as thick as driving rain. Okay, now see children, here in these both the sentences you can see charging along like word has come here. Okay, and fly as thick as driving rain means as. Okay, what the question they ask? Using your imagination, write one or two comparisons. This like and as these words are comparing, okay, two words with each other. Now they ask us to you also write like this sentences using like and as. Now see, first we'll write the sentence using like. He ran like wind. He ran like wind. Like, like wind. Okay, and next as. My dress is as red as blood. In this way you can write. My dress is as red as blood. Okay, now next is write about the sights you may see from a bus or an aeroplane. You may write it in the form of a short poem. Now this 7th number question children, write short poem or write an essay, a train journey. Okay, or you can write a journey by train. Now next find and read other poems of R.L. Stevenson using the internet. Find other rhythmic poems about trains in English or other languages. Now for this answer children, you can use the internet and you can find out, you can search the different types of poems, okay, in English or in your mother tongue also. Hope students you understood all the question answers of this poem.